Welcome to Ma'am Joy's Math Tutorial. Math 6, Quarter 1, Week 3, Lesson 2. Dividing mixed fractions or mixed numbers. In dividing mixed number by another mixed number, we have to consider the following steps. Step 1. Change first mixed to improper by multiplying the denominator by the whole number, then add the numerator and copy the denominator. Example, 2 and 1/4 divided by 1 and 1/3 is equal to, before dividing, we have to change these mixed numbers into improper fractions by multiplying 4 times 2 is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then, copy 4 as the denominator. Then, 3 times 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then copy 3 as the denominator. So, 2 and 1/4 becomes 9/4 and 1 and 1/3 becomes 4/3. Step 2. Copy the first fraction, then change the division sign to multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of the divisor. Example, 9/4 divided by 4/3 is equal to, copy 9/4, then change the division sign to multiplication sign, and the reciprocal of 4/3 is 3/4. Reciprocal means the inverse. Step 3. Multiply the numerators and the denominator separately and simplify your answer to its lowest term. Example, 9/4 times 3/4. 9 times 3 is equal to 27 and 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So the answer is 27/16. 27/16 is an improper fraction. So we are going to change that one into mixed number by dividing 27 by 16. 27 divided by 16 is equal to 1. 1 times 16 is equal to 16. 27 minus 16 is equal to 11. So we have 1 as the whole number, 11 as the numerator, and 16 as the denominator. So the final answer is 1 and 11/16. So are you ready to answer the exercises? Let's practice this. Try to answer these exercises. Then, on the next slide, try to check your answers. Good luck! By the way, this is Jocelyn M. Betonio, a mathematics teacher.